We are backfilling our French drain system, our French drain pipe. We're backfilling with the stone. You can see the amount of stone in our French drain system, and you can see how the stone just pours around the pipe. And when the stone pours around the pipe, it just takes shape. Now let's go back to Easy Drain. Now they have a segment, they have a gentleman that plays the role of Dr. Drain for NDS giving you tips. They got a short 46-second video giving tips on how to use this product. And in clay-like applications, and that's what I'm working with, is all clay. Most of our work is done in clay. I've had a few odd situations where sand lots didn't drain. They were saturated. I had to lower the water table, but they said in clay to use a drainage fabric and then to use a permeable backfill. So isn't that what we're doing? The good thing is they do not make any claims that Easy Drain is better than a French drain, a stone French drain. They actually use words like the French drain alternative, and they do advertise that it's half the work. Now I will disagree. That's my professional opinion as well as my crew, but 75% of the work is the excavation and getting all the dirt out of the trench and hauled off site. That's 75% of the work. So how going to this product reduces your work by 50%, I don't understand that. They say that they're poly rock. Now they're poly rock, well, that's a fancy word for some sort of material that's a lot like styrofoam, but I don't know. Anyways, they claim that it has 30% more flow. If I want to increase the flow of my system, I go to a larger aggregate, which I already do. I don't use pea pebble, I don't use pea stone, I use a larger aggregate so it screams. So if I were to use Easy Drain, I would have to put another one on top of this one. Then I'd have to be worried when I backfilled it. Well, and then I'm wrapping it like I'm already wrapping my systems. Boy, the way they recommend that you put this Easy Drain in clay is a whole lot like how I build my systems. Geez. So, and our pipe, you guys, if you watch our videos, you know, I've done it in plenty of previous videos. We have an 8 slot, 8 cuts per valley. So our pipe moves so much water, it's ridiculous. But I'm gonna stick with my stone French drains. If I was working on top of a high-rise building and they had a garden on the roof and they needed to do drainage, this would be ideal. I could bring it up in the elevator and I could do drainage on a rooftop. So again, I don't want to throw NDS under the bus. I'd use this in the right circumstances, but I'm not going to use it in yards of my clients. For stone French drains installed the right way, give us a call.